Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Alright, welcome back to my little channel, guys. Today we've got this Seat Ibiza FR 1.8T in today for some diagnostics and a tune. So let's take a look. Every job starts with some pre-diagnostics, so we'll get plugged into VCDS if I can reach it with my hand on there. Yeah, plugged in. Let's get that ignition on, and we'll give it a quick engine scan. See what we've got. We've actually got the engine light on, so there is going to be something in here. Oh, I think I never look at it then. That's not right, is it? Let's try it again. There we go. Long-term fuel trim, additive air, bank 1, range system 2 rich, and coolant temp sender, implausible signal. What does the coolant temp say? 75 degrees. We'll keep our eye on that. See if it dips or goes high during running the car. Next thing to do is an air leak check. Any 1.8T job should start with an air leak test because they leak from everywhere. Yep, the high pressure test brings up faults, not a smoke test, because they don't, unless it's a high pressure smoke tester. A lot of them can literally only do about 3 psi, which is no good to us. So we've got the trusty kit on, which is a high pressure kit. Hang on, stop the video. I can see what's wrong with this vehicle. When the eagle-eyed viewers out there may be able to spot it already. Look at that oil cap. Who puts an oil cap on backwards? Causes all sorts of problems. Should be golden now. Right, let's carry on. So we've got the kit connected. Let's introduce a little bit of air. What are we putting in there? We're putting in 10 psi. Turn it up a little bit. And we've got our trusty patented boost juice, which is secret ingredients. Washing up liquid and water. We'll give this a little spray around, doesn't do any harm. Get them in there. See if we can get it. Some injector cups down there. Like manifold. I can actually hear something. Let me just have a look down here. Get my hand down here. This has got a push connector down, if I remember correctly. Oh, can you hear that? Oh, it's all early as well. All right, okay. So, yeah, definitely got an air leak down there. So we'll take a look at that. All right, so we're underneath the car now. This is the push connector joint down from the turbo, and it's leaking from there. I'm only putting about 13 or 14 psi in there, and it's a massive leak. So we'll get this pipe off, have a look at the seal, and then we'll continue. Okay, so I've just got that boost pipe off from round the back that was leaking, and there's actually no rubber seal whatsoever on it. Should be around here. It's got 2 lugs that locate the boost pipe. It's kind of like a push bayonet fitting. There's no seal on it. No seal whatsoever. So no wonder it was leaking. I'll go and find some seals and we'll put it back on. As if by magic, I've got a seal in. I'll get this pipe put back on and we'll carry on with our leak test, see if it leaks anywhere else. And we'll go from there. Everything looks and tests okay for the leak check. So we'll disconnect all the kit and I'll get it on the dyno and we'll do some little logs and some pulls and see where we're at. Alright, we're on the dyno and we've got it plugged in. I've reset the codes that we had. I deleted them, I saved them, I then deleted them so we can keep our eye on if things come back, and then we've got a note of what faults they were. Keep my eye on that coolant sensor. Right, let's do a couple of pulls. So after a couple of pulls, whatnot, we are at 175.5 horsepower, 210 foot-pound, that's wheel horsepower, and then the calculated flywheel figure down here is 193 and 231 foot-pound of torque. So we've ended up at 220.8 horsepower, 264 foot-pound of torque. This is the original against the retune. As you can see, some decent gains, and then followed along the rev range. It's gains all the way along there. See something over 200 there versus the 173 horsepower, again 192, 168, and then on all the way to the end. So pull a lot stronger in the gears, which is all gravy. A couple of things are replaced on it. The spring clip on the back that held that pipe, boost pipe on, was actually the wrong one. It's too big, too wide, wouldn't clip in properly. And the other end of that pipe, the hose clip, just spinning, wouldn't tighten up. You know, when you just carry on turning, just wouldn't nip the pipe up. So I put a new one of them on, a trusty bendy screwdriver. Well, that's it for this one, guys. Please like, subscribe and share and click the bell icon and all those other YouTube things, which really helps. And I'll see you later.
Damn.